Hello cuties, welcome back to our today's online Yoga class. Make sure your student reader, workbook, notebook, pencil, eraser with you all the time while attending the online class. If you are ready, let's start our today's session. In our today's session, we're going to revise all the whole words. All the whole words we have done so far in our units 5, 6, 7 and 8. Are you ready? Yes, let us move on to our today's class. I just want all of you to open SR 22 and the page number 27 in Unit 5. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, your student, now first we have to read the whole words and also spelling of each and every words. After the class, after this session we completed, you just write the spelling of the words again in your notebook. You just write the spellings of each and every words that we have read in our today's class in your notebook and then send in your WhatsApp group. Look at the new words in Unit 5. Look at the first one, them. T-H-E-M, them. Most, M-O-S-T, most. When you start writing in your notebook means you just say and write the spelling. Now you have to follow me and then say along with me these words. Using, U-S-I-N-G, using. Next word, hold. Repeat again, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Look at the next word, thought. Repeat again, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Show, show, S-H-O-W, show. Repeat again, S-H-O-W, show. Watch, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Next, N-E-X-T, next. Repeat again, N-E-X-T, next. Into, what word is this? Into, I-N-T-O, into. Repeat again, I-N-T-O, into. Each, each, E-A-C-H, each, E-A-C-H, each. Other, O-T-H-E-R, other, O-T-H-E-R, other. Will, say again, will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. Now, N-O-W, now. N-O-W, now. No, K-N-O-W, no. K-N-O-W, no. Ask, A-S-K-S, asks, A-S-K-S, asks. Read, R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. Words, W W-O-R-D-S. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Repeat along with me, ma. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Repeat again. K-E-E-P. Keep. Met. M-E-T. Met. M-E-T. Met. Safe. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. Okay, children, you just pause the video. Take your notebook and also pencil eraser. You just write all the spellings of these new words in your notebook one time. You just practice all these words in one time in your notebook. You just pause the video and then try to do this. Just say and write the spelling. Your handwriting must be neat and legible. Yes, let us move to the next unit. Let us see the new words in Unit 6. I just want all of you to open SR 24 and the page number 53. Look at the first word. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Just repeat along with me, ma. Say loudly. Himself. Himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. Himself. Across. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. Again. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Look at the next word. Which. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. Repeat again. Cannot. Decide. Decide. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. Reach. What word is this? Reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. Ready. Say loudly. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. Happen. Happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen. Lived. See the word. Just point out with your finger and then read along with me. Lived. Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Side. Side. S-I-D-E. Side. Received. What word is this? Received. R-E-C-E-I-V-E-D. Received. Meet. What word is this? Meet. Say loudly. Meet. M-E-E-T. Meet. Once. Once. O-N-C-E. Once. Time. What word is this? Time. T-I-M-E. Time. Sticky. Sticky. Say loudly, ma. Just say the spelling along with me. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky. Greet. Greet. G-R-E-E-T. Greet. Returned. Returned. R-E-T-U-R-E-D. returned. Filled, filled, F-I-L-L-E-D, filled. Okay children, now you just pause the video and then have to write the spelling for these new words in unit 6 in your notebook one time. Let us move to the next unit 7. Yes, now you have to open SR 28 and the page number 83 in unit 7. Look at the new whole words. Look at the first one, again. Repeat again, again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Again. Both, both. Say loudly, B-O-T-H, both, both. Ran, ran. R-A-N, ran, ran. Looked, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked, looked. Look at the next word, down, down. D-O-W-N, down. Say again, D-O-W-N, down. Take, take. T-A-K-E, take. Full. What word is this? Full. F-U-L-L, full. No, no. K-N-O-W, no. Only, only. Repeat again, only. O-N-L-Y, only. First, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Say loudly, F-I-R-S-T, first. See the next word, high, high. H-I-G-H, high. H-I-G-H, high. Asked, A-S-K-E-D, asked, asked. Had, had. H-A-D, had, had. See the next word, before, before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before, before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Say again, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. That, that. What word is this? That. T-H-A-T, that, that. Look at the next word, next, next. N-E-X-T, next. N-E-X-T, next. Around, around. Say loudly, around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Okay children, now we complete the whole words in unit 7. You just pause the video and try to write the spelling of this word one time in your notebook. Yes, let us move to the next unit, unit number 8. I just want all of you to open SR 29 and the page number 114 in Unit 8. Yes, I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, have you all ready with your SR 29? Look at the new words. Look at the first one. Hiss. Hiss. H-I-S. Hiss. H-I-S. Hiss. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. Say loudly. B-A-C-K. Back. Let us move to the next one. Warm. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Together. What word is this? Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Change. Change. What word is this? Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Type. Type. T-Y-P-E. Type. Used. Used. U-S-E-D. Used. Color. Color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Scene. What word is this? Scene. S-E-E-N. Scene. S-E-E-N. Scene. Took. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. Took. Such. Such. S-U-C-H. Such. S-U-C-H. Such. Usual. Usual. Say along with me, ma. U-S-U-A-L. Usual. U-S-U-A-L. Usual. Than. Than. T-H-A-N. Than. Say loudly. T-H-A-N. Than. Quite. What word is this? Quite. Q-U-I-T-E. Quite. Q-U-I-T-E. Quite. Front. Front. What word is this? Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Must. Must. What word is this? Must. M-U-S-T. Must. Say loudly. M-U-S-T. Must. Every. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Sure. Sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. sure. These. Just point out with your finger and then read along with me. These. 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 Right. WRITE. Right. WRITE. Right. Okay children, now we complete all the new whole words in unit 5, 6, 7 and 8. You just read, practice all these new whole words and also write, practice these words, spelling of these words in your notebook again 2 times. Just practice writing these words. Say and write the spelling of each and every word 2 times in your notebook, ma. Yes. In EOA exam, when you hear these words means you just write the word clearly. So that you must practice again and again these words in your notebook. Okay children, now we are going to complete our today's session. All of you take care. See you in our next class, ma. Thank you.